The Future Forge Community Makerspace is a space where people from all different backgrounds, cultures can come together, can be inspired, motivated, and innovative all in one space together. And so we have woodworkers, we have metalworkers, we have people from traditional trade skills, arts and crafting materials all in one space, I think really makes us unique. My name is Stephen Lindsay. I am one of the founders and current president of the board of directors of the Future Forge Makerspace. And here we are at the Future Forge. We do a lot of great community projects.
I'm Samantha Gonzalez. I am the admin assistant here at the Future Forge Makerspace. I moved to Silver City for college and I kind of got sucked into the Makerspace, which is really easy to do with all the cool equipment and education.
The Future Forge has helped a lot. I am, an artist that, again, likes to try anything, and it can get quite expensive to do everything without the right equipment. So coming here has been nice, and it's helped a lot with mental health, being out, being social, and not just, in my room cramped up with all my different art stuff. So it's really nice, it's helped me get out more and helped with my social anxiety.
Being here, I get to see the members, the volunteers, the different events that go on here, and I really find that there's three types of people predominantly that come into the space. There are people who make their livelihoods out of the space, that start businesses with the equipment we have. There are people who are hobbyists that need an outlet for whatever their passion is, whether it be woodworking, 3D printing, anything like that. And then there are people who are seeking community, and it gives an outlet to all three. And oftentimes those three overlap, and that's, I think, where things get really cool.
We're here to try and push forward the productivity and self-sufficiency of individuals through self-empowerment, education, and just exposure to resources that otherwise may be prohibitive, either cost-wise or space-wise or whatever it may be.
Hi, I am Milo Flynn Hawks. I am a member here at the Future Forge Makerspace, and this place is awesome. I feel like I needed a space to kind of make things and create. Having all these tools accessible and having not only the tools, but the whole environment is really fun to be in. Everyone's really cool to talk to, and everyone has completely different perspectives on a lot of things, and it's just really cool to kind of come into this space with an idea and then be like, what do you think? And then you have a million more ideas that you couldn't even think of yourself.
I build furniture, and the only place that I'd have up on the mountain is outside, so in the winter I became a member and was able to move down here and finish my project out of the cold.
The Future Forge has been great for me in that it's a really good creative outlet. I like to tinker with all kinds of stuff. We're working on a 3D printer right now. It's just a great place with a lot of tools that you could do a lot of different stuff with.
I guess what I do here, or what I'm doing here, is also basically the same thing as what Ryan said, but also starting my own business here, tech repair business.
Well, I think it adds to the community a lot because, there's so many people here that have a lot of knowledge on a bunch of different subjects, and you can ask someone, hey, can you help me out with this? And usually, no problem, they'll show you how it's done and show you how to do it yourself. And I think it's a great way to build community because you get to know the people that know how to do this stuff.
I think the fact that we're all of us as makers are able to come in one space and we're able to help each other is how we kind of build our friendship, or how we build relationships with each other.
I really like the community events that you guys put on. You guys are really involved, and it's really cool to see all the positivity that this place brings.
It just opens up a lot for people to learn to depend on themselves, to do crafts, do maintenance, do whatever.
And so here at the Future Forge, we try and make a positive difference and push forward our community. And together, we believe that we can make and forge the future.